Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome, everyone. We are here today to talk something is kind of the breaking news, but very, very important. I want to make sure that you understand what it means for you to get this particular news. You can see on my screen, sorry, on my screen, you can see I'm talking about the breaking news, some of the information about new bill. And this bill is going to change most of the things. But so far, it is not a big scare, but it's something might happen. You can see on my screen, the title of this news or this information is Representative Fallon introduces bill to scrap Diversity Visa Program. What does that mean? For those who want to know or want to understand, I will start with, first of all, the representative who introduces the bill, and then I'll go into detail to explain what the bill is all about. That will be number two. And I'll go also to explain what are the chances of this bill to be able to go through. Will that be even approved in this situation? So I don't want to scare so much people. So just to start with, Representative Patrick Fallon is from Texas, is a Republican from the 4th Congressional District. And he introduced it, and this was on Friday. Let me go here. Okay. It was on a Friday, February 11th, when he introduced. And here is what his statement is. Earlier this morning, I introduced the Alien Act. This, what is called the Alien Act, is the abbreviation of that particular bill. I will show you in a minute, which takes concrete steps to tackle the root cause of illegal immigration and mass immigration. But inside that particular act, there is ending of the diversity visa lottery. This is not the first time something like this has come into Senate. Or Congress in general. So let me go first of all to explain that particular the particular itself, the bill itself of this congressman. So, few things. Number one, let me read. Pat Fallon, Republican from Texas, introduced the legislation on Friday that will scrap the diversity visa lottery and impose penalties on immigrants who have overstayed their visas, and it includes provision to prevent asylum frauds. So that is number one thing overall. So when they say alien, is the abbreviation of this particular bill is the abolishing the lottery. That's number one part of it. And number two, it will be also to put immigration enforcement now. So that is the act will be able to tackle those particular things. So the bill will first seek to scrap the controversial Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, known as the Visa Lottery, which hands out the visas based on the random selection to countries with low rates of immigration to the United States. Approximately 50,000 people or 50,000 visas are left available each year. So that is something you needed to know. So here there are so many information, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to put this one in the comment, and also I'll put this one in the description of the video where after posting, you'll be able to go and read. So you can go and read by yourself. But again, if you go and write that title on the Google search, you'll find so many news information. And this one, they are all latest information. So there are some of the bills. So the question to ask ourselves is this the first time something like this has come? No. So let me start with the year 2020. On May 2020, President Trump came up with the request or the plan that is planning to end what is called the green card lottery and introducing the new thing, which is a merit-based immigration. Here, I want people to put your political belief away. I don't care whether you are Republican. I don't care whether you are Democratic. So let's talk on the fact on this situation. So it was on end of May when Trump said is planning to end the green card lottery and introducing the merit-based immigration. I talked about the merit-based immigration. What does that mean? In a simplest way, merit-based immigration is a copy and paste immigration system of Canada or a little bit of Australia. When we hear about the express entry, which means you can apply for the permanent resident of Canada while you are in your own country, you are getting points. So merit-based immigration is a point-based system. Then there are some of the jobs you can apply directly from your country to go to Canada. So that's what is going to be talking about. I will show you the current immigration system of America. The United States immigration system, the larger percent of the immigration is a family-based immigration. Meaning, myself, I came to America, I became a US citizen. I can sponsor my father. I can sponsor my mother. They can get a green card within 6 months to a year. Then my parents can sponsor their children. Or myself, I can sponsor my siblings. My siblings can sponsor their spouses. So one person can bring a chain of people. That's what is called the family-based, which is the majority is the immigration of the United States. United States has there are very few merit-based. So before you go there, I want to understand. If you go and look on the website of the Congress, congress.gov, you'll find some of this. This is the bill itself. To amend Immigration and Nationality Act to repeal the Diversity Visa Lottery for other purposes, whatever. Sponsor is this person. So let's open that one. So here there is what is called a tracker. When you go to American political system, there is a way. There is a way. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry, Faustina is here. Okay, so there is a way you can track. The first step is you introduce the bill. The second step is usually they can take it to the Judiciary Committee. Judiciary Committee is going to discuss whatever, but it will be brought to the House for discussion and being able to be passed. Then it will be taken to the Senate to be discussed, and if it's going to be passed too, then it will go to President. The President will sign, and that will become a law. Those are the steps. So the question is, will this one be able to pass? But before we go into this one, here it is that one, the judicial. When action was taken to the Senate, to the House, it was on February 11th, 2022. So after being that one, it was referred to the Judiciary Committee. So at the moment, there is not, if you look on the text, there are no more information at the moment. As of today, which is February 13. There are no what? You'll be able to see there are no information at the moment. Faustina, come on to use this one. Okay, sorry everyone. Sorry, my daughter is here. Leave it, Faustina. Okay. Come on to use this one. Where? Okay, sorry. Okay, so
can't hear. I can't hear.
So at the moment, this is what is the status. But if you go here, you look like here, there is another repeal act already. So this one was when? This one was in March 18, 2021. Senator John Kennedy of Louisiana, I think, put this one, another motion to end the diversity visa lottery. Visa Lottery Repeal Act was so on the committee. It is also in the Senate committee, also on the Judiciary Committee of the Senate. So this one is in the Senate, not on the House of Representatives. It was ready twice, and then it is now still in the Judiciary Committee. Will this be able to be passed? No. Why? Because at the moment, Democratic Party's priority is to increase the visas, is to keep the diversity visa lottery continuing there. So if you read this one, the summary is this bill eliminates the Diversity Visa Immigrant Program, which makes available a limited number of visas for aliens. Okay. Sorry. I have to turn off my phone because many people are calling. Okay. So this one is to eliminate, but it hasn't been able to be implemented at the moment. It hasn't gone there for the discussion and the end in that one. So I want to show you this is a continuation of ending this. The merit-based is still a continuation. So there are so many things at the moment which are related to that. This is the day when Trump will sign the Merit-Based Immigration Act very soon. That was the plan, to introduce the merit-based immigration. I know you might have questions about what is this merit-based if it is going to be introduced. So let's go on this picture. You can be able to see what they mean. So this one on the left, it was 2017. This is the current immigration system of the United States. The first big, long, dark green is a family-based immigration. So over 65-67% of US immigration is based on the family sponsorship. You see, this is the biggest part, the dark green, this one is merit-based, the family-based. I ask you, all people who are watching me here right now, how many of you have relatives like father, mother, spouse, or children who are US citizens right now? Are very, very few. So the immigration is focusing here. So this one doesn't support into bringing many people in America. And then you see this small one, small, less than 50. This is just less than 12% is economic. When they say economic, they mean most likely is merit-based immigration. That's economic. like for jobs, for green card by employment, all those kind of things. And then diversity visa lottery, this one is humanitarian, and then diversity visa lottery is this one. So the proposal from Trump and the other Republican is this one, meaning let's reduce the family immigration. By family immigration, that means myself, for instance, I don't need to apply to my brother or my sister to come here. And the brother, to bring the brother, no. I can just bring my parents, and if I have a child. But you don't need to bring a child, to bring a brother, to bring a sister, to bring whatever as a chain. So that means we will reduce the number, and the bigger number will be economic. Like this is what Canada has. Majority of the Canada immigration, yes, you can bring your grandparents, yes, you can bring your spouse, yes, you can bring other people, but majority are into this particular of what we call economic immigration. You can get a job and apply. You can apply for express entry based on the points. You can get that one. And then humanitarian. And the small part of the diversity, which is a tiny party, will be removed. How many of you will be there to support this plan? Because every single day we talk about Canada has the best immigration system because it gives opportunity for all immigrants to apply. So, do I support the ending of the green card lottery? I will support if they end green card lottery, but they introduce this something like this way. I will support. But if you say you are ending green card lottery without replacing with anything to continue to have this one to increase the family, no. This family based, for instance, myself, I didn't have any relative in America. So, for instance, if I wait for lottery and family, I'm toasted. But because I had a degree, I have higher chances of getting, let's say in Canada, I can apply because I have a degree. I can apply for jobs. I can apply for the opportunity to go to Canada under express entry. They have to change the regulation. For instance, in Canada, if you're an international student, you are married, you are allowed to work, your spouse is allowed to work full time. Those are the things we needed to see on the economic immigration. So, the Trump proposal seeks to invert this breakdown. Under this proposal, 57% of will gain a green card through economic. That means through merit, like Canada. 33% will gain through family ties. But because at the moment, the 66% is family sponsorship at the moment. 12% at the moment are getting through employment. You see how the current situation. But when Trump said this one, oh, Trump is racist. Okay, if he's racist, who is racist now? The one who is saying, oh, if you want to come to work here, we give you green card, we're giving 12%. And the person said, oh, no, we want to put 57% people to come here for work. So who is more racist? Because if this Trump proposal is racist, then the Canadian proposal or Canadian plan is also racist. So unless otherwise, so I don't care. At the moment, I like the continuing of lottery, but only if you cancel this lottery, you have to increase this one. You have to increase this one. That will be something which I would prefer to see. The diversity lottery will be eliminated. So this is the most important part. The Trump proposal 6, but is no longer president, so that is not his plan anymore. But obviously, if you want to enter green card lottery, you have to come with something like this one. So the Trump proposal seeks to invent this breakdown. Under the proposal, 57% of immigrants will gain status through economic, that means work and sponsorship of that nature. 33% will be getting family, 10% through humanitarians, and then the smaller part, there will be no lottery. Then this aspect where majority don't have relatives here in America. So how are you going to get it? And the relative, we don't mean uncle, we mean immediate family. So that is something at the moment which is there. So I want to see people's comments on this particular situation. What do you recommend? What do you see? That's why I encourage people to keep applying for the diversity visa lottery every time, every year. No matter who is the president, whether it's Democratic, whether it's Republican, at one point, this one will go out. The reasoning will change. It used to be this way, okay, back in the day. But now, they want more people to come here and contribute to the economy than the likelihood of someone coming here and become a public charge. Let me ask you a question yourself, because let's avoid you are America. Let's say you are from Ghana. Let's say you are in Kenya, you are in Tanzania, you are in Nigeria. Will you be happy if Chinese are coming in your country and they take even the small jobs of selling vegetables on the street? Obviously, no. You want, if immigrants are coming in your country like Chinese, they come to take the few jobs, maybe expatriates, the few jobs where your people cannot be able to do. So why, if America, they change this one, you get upset? Even myself, if I become a president, I have to look away where immigrants are coming here, like in Canada. You are going to help, you are going to support the economy of the country immediately. That's why they give priority people who are engineers, doctors, all medical IT related engineers. They are given priority to go to Canada. But if you say here, it's easy to be labeled you are against immigrants. They're not, Rosa, I know you are mentioning they're not going to end it now. Why? Because at the moment, Democrats is still majority, though they have 6 votes more in House, and they have few, they have 50-50 in Senate. But in November, there is election. If you didn't know, there is what is called media election. In the media election, there is higher possibility of Republican to win. So that's, I want you to know what is going to happen. Timothy watching from Trinidad. Thank you. I'll answer some of this one. Can I join the U.S. Army with refugee or asylum? If you are green card holder, it doesn't matter how you got your green card. Whether you got green card through family, whether you got green card through economic, whether you get green card through humanitarian, whether you get green card through diversity. If you are green card holder, you are green card holder. There is no, they don't care about what way you have. If you're a green card holder, you want to join the military, you can join the military. There is no problem. Terence from Cameroon. So those are some few things I wanted for you to understand, to see what is going up. So at the moment, this one will not pass. But from November, there is media election. Republicans, they are going to win in a higher chance. I'm saying that way because of the current trend of the inflation and the economy, how it's going down. Things are changing. So if they lose that chance, that means Senate, obviously this will be able to go through and be passed through the House and probably Senate. So these are very important articles I will be able to put there, and for you to be able to, yeah. So I don't know what is your take on this one, but that is what is going on. There are so many. That's why there are, number one, it is the time to apply for the lottery. Keep applying. They have removed the visa, the passport requirement in October. Apply. Make sure that all your family is going to apply. When it comes to the issue of other opportunities, what if you don't win? Because now you are saying, oh, it must be there. But what are the chances? Let's say you have a degree. What are the chances of winning green card versus what are the chances of applying if there is express entry and get it through express entry? Someone says diversity visa is true. I'm a winner for the DV 2021, but still nothing comes, any news in my email, still saying that at NVC. Can you give me any update? At the moment, I don't, do you mean DV 2021 or DV 2022 winner? Because DV 2021, they are waiting for the lawsuit decision, because at the moment there is no any other scheduling of the visa for the DV 2021 until the decision of the court is going to be decided. When will they abolish it? No yet, because there's a process. As I said, there is a legislative process. It has been just introduced. Then it has to pass through the House, it pass through the Senate, to the President, become the law. It will not go through all of this one. But from November, after the midterm election, things will be changing on this one, depending who is going to be majority in the House or Senate. That will be something to look at. And another thing is, once, yeah, that is the biggest part. They will not go to change right now. So I don't want to make this to be a very long live stream. Will the V203 applicants have a problem? No. This one, if it's going to be to be bigger issue, to be after November, after election in November, because in November there will be election, midterm election of House of Representatives and the Senate, not president. President is until 2024. So it will be after election, most likely. Then we'll be able to see those kind of things. Frida said, I will go for the new method. That is the most likely, Canada, but I hope they do not demand that people should sit for LTS. No, US will not ask you to take the English test, to my knowledge. If you English test for US, for green card, they don't care. But to become a US citizen, yes, you have to take the test, but the test is not the TOEFL or IELTS. No, it's not that test. The test is even the citizenship test. You sit with someone is giving you a few sentences to write, read, whatever. So it's not a full test like Canada. No. Thank you for the update. I think they will make some amendments, but it will be difficult to stop the whole process altogether. I strongly believe that it won't be scrapped. I hope to. That's what I hope to. They might modify. They might say, okay, you can leave this one, but they might change. They say, okay, we want only someone with the maybe degree. I'm giving you an example. Or if you want to keep it, you have to change the regulations. Or they can make sure that I don't know what they're going to make the amendments, but obviously it will change. Will the merit-based system allow immigrants with families to move to the US with their family? Yes. When they say merit-based immigration, is just like Canada. Canada, if you apply express entry, you go with your family. Yes. I don't know why there is a delay, but it will be there. I hope soon. Okay, so I'm ending my stream right now. I don't want to make this as a very long one. So thank you so much. each and everyone. But one thing, for people who are also subscribers here, or people who are doing live stream here with me right now, you know I have other YouTube channel. I would like to ask you to make sure that you go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel for those. I usually talk every single day about people to find other ways to go and get these opportunities. So one among the opportunities I'm going to share is fully funded scholarships. So make sure that you go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Here I post so many opportunities and all people who are looking for full funded scholarships. So here we have over 200 people. Can all of you go here? We can reach at least 1,000 subscribers. Even if you don't have the qualifications to look for scholarships, share this one with someone else. Go and share this link with other people so that they can be able to subscribe. youtube.com/fully funded scholarships. You'll be able to see a lot of videos, and I keep uploading more videos at the moment. So if you're looking for scholarships, just go there and try to find a way on how you can be able to get these particular scholarships, which I usually share. And just for the information, another good information, I just published the new book about Canada. I said I'll be making the book about Canada. Remember, I posted the book covers. Let me show you one thing. I showed the book covers. One of the book cover about the book I'll be able to write. I said I'll be writing this year is the book which says for those who want to go to Canada. Do you remember this book? So this book is now here. This is the book now. Right now, if you go on this book, you can read it for free. I put it for free for a few days. So let me put the link of this book. Make sure you go and download this book and you read this book, and then make sure you give 5 stars. I think the deadline is tomorrow. Today or tomorrow is the deadline to get it for free. So you can go and download the link, the Kindle, the book. So this is the book already published now, which is that one. So that is the book. It's a book on Amazon. Make sure you go and check. You can get it for free. Read it Kindle for free. I think the deadline is, it has 216 pages. Yeah, it is a nice book. For those who want to go to Canada, you can see all those opportunities, option, whatever it is, you can be able to do that. And yes, that is very, very correct. That is very, very correct. That now there is nothing. Yeah. For those who are looking for paid, for those who are looking for paid what? For paid consultation, email me at that email or send me a WhatsApp message. Send me a WhatsApp message on this number. WhatsApp for paid consultation. That is the number. You send there the number, the WhatsApp message. Don't call. If people are looking for fully funded scholarships or other immigration pathways, they go through that. Send me a message there, or go and send. You go on the EBM at ebmscholars.com and send me email. I'll be able to respond. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Please, I want to see more people subscribe. At the moment, we have only those numbers. We need more. We need more. We need to have 1,000 right now. We have few people have subscribed. So thank you so much, each and everyone. Let me end up here, and I'll keep you updating on anything coming up.